Hello first graders, welcome to our new grammar rules. We are on unit 1, week 2, and the grammar rules for today it's word order. The words in a sentence must be in the right order. The order must make sense. Let's listen to these two sentences and see if it makes sense or not. Tim has a tan cap. Cap A has Tim tan. So as you see, this is a correct one. Tim has a tan cap. And this one doesn't sound right. The order of the words are not right, so they're not making sense when I say cap has Tim tan. All right, let's do together page 6. Circle the sentence that have the words in the right order. So if it's right, we're gonna circle the sentence, or you can circle the number. Number 1, Bill can go here. It makes sense. And the orders for the words are right, so we circle this. Tag can Dan play? Nope, so we don't do anything. Number 3, Sid and Pat can go? Yes, so we circle number 3. Number 4, Sam is a big pig. Yes, it makes sense, so either you circle the sentence or you circle the number. Number 5, Cat hid the bag in a, and I don't have the rest of the information, so it's missing. It doesn't give me a meaning and need to be in a different order, so it will make sense. So that's mean this is incorrect or I should not circle it. All right, B, write your own sentence. Check that your words are in the right order from left to right. So you're gonna write your own sentence and make sure the order of your words in your sentence are right and correct. So choose any word and put it in a sentence. All right, let's go for the next page. The words in a sentence must be in the right order. The order has to make sense. So we still continue in the same rule, but we're taking step by step. So let's see what we have here. Write the words in order. Begin with a capital letter, end with a period. So this is what you need to do. You're gonna put it in order and then you're gonna start with a capital letter, you always know, and end your sentence with a period. Okay, C, I at A. I see a mat, and then I end it with a period. Okay, number 2, set Jill a mat on. I need to put them in the right order and start with my capital letter. So Jill would be my first word. So Jill sat on a mat. Awesome. And put your period. 3, on Sam a mat sat. Sam, very good, sat on a mat. So when I write my sentence, I have to make sure, start with that capital letter, I'm ending it with a period. I have to make sure that the order for the words, it makes sense. Number 4, cat A is tap. I'll let you do this on your own. All right, let's turn the page and see page 8. Every sentence ends with a punctuation mark. Example, Sal can sit here. So your ending for this is a period. Put a period at the end of each sentence, circle mark. So you need to put punctuation, and we will be learning in the near future, probably next week and the week after, that we have different punctuation. We have exclamation mark, we have or exclamation point, we have a period, we have also question mark. but today we're talking about the period, which is like a small dot. So what you need to do here, you're gonna add your ending and circle it. I see a tan bag, period, and put it in a circle. A cat can play, period, and put it in a circle. Tab hid in the bag, you got it. She is not sad, you need to put your period and put it in a circle. Tab can go in, period, and put a circle. She can go out, period, and put the circle. So this is very easy, simple rule. You can just easily put your ending or the punctuation mark and just circle it. I will read them again. I see a tan bag. A cat can play. Tab hid in the bag. You need to put your period and circle it. She is not sad. Put a period and circle it. Tab can go in, add a period or ending and circle it. She can go out, put your ending and circle it. All right, awesome. Let's see what's next. All right, the words in a sentence must make sense. A telling sentence ends with a period. Remember, it's a statement or a telling sentence, so it has to make sense. That means the words are in the right order. All right, let's see what this exercise says. Read each sentence, write C if it's correct, if the sentence is correct. And if it's not correct, write the words in the correct order. So if it's right, if it's correct, you're gonna add the letter C. But if it's not correct, don't just say not correct. No, we need to correct it. So remember, begin with a capital letter and end with period. All right. Big is a pig. It is correct. Are these words in a sentence make sense? No. So I need to put them in the right order. Starting with my capital letter. So A, pig is big. Now it makes sense, and then I need to put my ending. All right, number 2. Bill is in the van. I see it done correct, and they are in the right order. It has the right ending and start with a capital letter, so I'm gonna write letter C, which is mean the sentence is correct. Okay, number 3. Tim and Sam can play. I think you figured out this one. Okay, let's go for number 4. Up can Jill go. Up can Jill go. I don't see them in the right order. I don't see the sentence start with a capital letter. So I'm gonna start with my capital letter. Jill can go up, and then I put my ending. All right. Al cannot go. Very good, correct. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna write just C, which is correct. And this one, Tim can play. You got it. It's right. It's correct. All right. Now we have page 10. Read each sentence. Write C if the sentence is correct. And if a sentence has words that are out of order, write them in the correct order. Start with a capital letter and end with a period. So this is pretty much like the previous one, like this one, like this activity. If it's wrong, need to be fixed. It's not the sentence and the words are not in the right correct order. I'm gonna write it. Make sure I'm starting with a capital letter. Make sure I'm putting my ending. But if my sentence is correct, I'm gonna just put the letter C. So I'm gonna make a couple of questions with you, and I'll let you do the rest. Okay. At Sam look. Is it Sam look at, but it's missing. Or look at Sam. You got it. Look at Sam. And I put my ending. So I start with capital letter and end with a period. I put Sam in a capital letter because Sam is a noun, and noun always start with a capital letter. This is another grammar rule, we'll be covering it later. But when it's a name, when it's a noun, it has to always start with a capital letter, even if it's in the middle of the sentence or end of the sentence. All right, I'm gonna make number 2 for you. Is my he pal? I don't think this is in the right order because it doesn't make sense to me. So I'm gonna start with my capital letter. He is my pal. Then add a period. All right. We can play. It's correct. He can sit with me. You tell me. Sam can I pat? You see what you need to do for number 3, 4, and 5. All right. Awesome. Over here I have very simple rule I want to share with you. Double final consonants. Consonants, they are the alphabet letter except the vowel letter. So any letter in the alphabet except A, E, I, O, U, we call it consonants. If it's A or E or I or O or U, they are vowel letters. All right. So what's the rule says? The rule says when a word ends with 2 consonants that are the same. A word ends with 2 consonants. That's mean not vowel. Any letters except the vowel letters, we call it consonants. So if the word ends with any consonants letters that are the same, double of the same letter. So what happened? The letters together make one sound. So when you read the word, you read it as it's only one T. So you say mat, although it's double, or S, although it's double S, or jazz, although it's double Z. You only sound one letter. Pass, well. Okay? So that's it for today, boys and girls. I'll leave you with the rest of the activity to finish your work. Thank you. Bye-bye.